Yeah, peeps. So thanks for jumping for another episode of Rass Reviews. Is it episode or just... Thanks for jumping for another one, you see me? Yo, if it's your first time you join me, subscribe, you see me? And if you're always there and you always watch my video them and you always share them, thanks, you see me? I like that one too. It does help a lot with algorithm and it helps with my video reach out to a lot more people like yourself. So do the maths for me, you see? So today we are this youth in name Malie. Yeah, and I want to name newflair. So I'll go ahead and Malie newflair right now. Let me see what going. Let me see what going here, so.
Hold on, you're killing up in my NCB, I'm a live choppy line, but pull it down. Ibanga dem a chance all by 20. Choppy line, but pull it down. Me a choppy line, but pull it down. Choppy line, but pull it down.
Alright, me rate that already. Man, say what going. Me a choppy line, but hold it down. This I probably enough people nowadays, bro. That's all let me upload with a lot of slackness. But if you do something you know not too good, you see me, not too right, and it makes sense to you, but it don't make sense to everybody else, don't load up yourself. Zane, just calm me, G. Man, I say, yo, me a chop a line, but yo, if you never know before, now you know. I mean, know everybody know, but then just damn bossy and just god damn it. Anyways. Let me start. We don't start already, make we continue.
Yo, I so me end up a buy 30 gun, 30 car, 30 bike, so me come in a she gun. Choppy line, but pull it down. Run out and kick down bumbo clad door. All out and wait till man go start work. Pussy love to see so run go call sure. Never get a true pass, we bumbo class.
Father, God help me. Jesus Christ, man, cut some cloth a while ago. Man say, yo, in serious, and if you don't see, you go Jano Star. Them I get like really and truly, you know, bro. Me never get a true pass figure score. I'm not a football person, brother, but me know that much. Then it never easy for the man. You see me? Nobody never set the man up and say, yo, brother, take this score. You see me? I get like, me have to shift the whole field. You see me? I have to do everything for myself. The amount of defender, I have to beat. The amount of people will hate me. I'm going to score and now me I live life. You can't hate me for that, me G. How? Yo, Malie, that shell, me G. That itself shell. Right about now, me know say the song itself shell already, me G. If I say that, it done. You have a basketball player, a pre-football a while ago. How you do that? Yo, we see what going on, so we see what going.
Like this year a woman used to talk more. Money up from and deaf but hardcore. And bike up a strap and send go Mall road and then go cross.
That's a chorus?
Every day are the same thing, not up on the plating. She nah no problem, fi blow like trade wind. The enemy waiting, them eliminating. I just see plain man song embracing.
Yo. Oh, God damn it. Jesus Christ. If you ever say, she a blow like trade window, bro. But if you stop laughing, continue. Yo, Malie. That bad. Yo, if I did, yo, oh my God, yo, peeps, this bad. Me know say that song ain't not be for everybody, but Jesus Christ, it's a newflair. Me I pull it up, peeps. Me I pull it up. So me come in a she gun.
Choppy line but pull it down.
Alright, bruv.
Run out and kick down bumbo clad door. Hold out and wait till man go start tour. Pussy love to see so run go call sure. Never get a true pass we bumbo class score. Like this year a come and used to talk more. Some yak from and deaf but hardcore. And bike up a strap and send go Mall road and then go cross road and then go crash to bumbo. Every day are the same thing, not dep on the plaything. She nah no problem fi blow like trade wind. The enemy waiting, them eliminating. I just see pain man song embracing. Me come with a new flair, me change a new.
The man just say, yo, the enemy just eliminate people out of it. Shit, dog. Like, no people not pre the line, you know. Like, the man I say he never get no true pass to go scores, in, and even though he make it right now, you know, things not easy. People are fighting same way. No matter if you think you're good at morning, by your night you have somebody that try to set you up, my G. Because of the enemy that you see me, they now gonna want to see you good. How do you feel comfortable? How? Yo, man say I just the pain. The song is like, yo, this me I go through, my G. You know. When you think me happy, I feel I fight every day. No, because you see the smile on my face. Jano. Yo.
Gear. I'm a bad man, so me no few care. Suck out your mother, me no care who here. Them only fire gunshot pan New Year. Dansky.
Yo, go suck it. We don't care who hears it. Like, people who always give you bad man and try curse your energy. Zine, them not really bad, you know. That's truth. That I truth. I'm not alone. Them how the man say, oh, they only fire shot pan you here, you know. Them borrow some of the gun who want bust a shot beside him and say, yo, dog, let me listen. Please, just let me listen and then grab your hand and go. I do not know where this came from. Me I plug on my headphones. But what the man I say really and truly a truth, you can't do people who they run you in a cuss and chat bad shit, because half of them, if them put in a your same position, they can't do shit. And they're supposed to really and truly talk up to you and you decide to defend it, what them are going to do? Sometimes just allow them people, they brother half of the people them who are give you bad vibes a clown. There's a chat. Make them chat. Live your life. Make them sit down and bad mind because they done bad mind already. But you make it affect you. Why you make it affect you? Why? Yo.
Evident and imminent, me fuck up them predicament. She say me cock it up so she not really happy sissy me. She bring the pussy to me free, me not happy listen. She want to fucking at the wilderness, so me just pitch it in. Me fuck me key.
Alright, me see it, Malie, me see it, Malie, me see it, brother. Alright. Fine. She said you're tough, so she don't need to see cement. She want fucking at the wilderness, so you just pitch the tent, me G. Yo, Malie. How much Malie you pop before you write the song, your brother, and sing the song? God, it's not normal, you know, me G. You probably did some Malie, some coke, and some... I'm just saying, this is not normal. This is what people write when them high as a cloud. This bad, and a weed I don't write this, you know. I'm just saying, people, I'm just saying. You can't even feel that.
Yes, and then Christina vex me fuck her too. She call me dog, but me never did need a vet. And when she see me, she a strip like she play.
Call me dog, but me no need that. Call me dog, but me don't need a vet. Call me dog, but I don't need a vet. The song you stink. It depend fire, it a smoke, and I no cigarette. I just made that line up, peeps. I'm not saying me I write a remix for it. I'm just saying. I got skills too. Yo, this bad.
Silhouette, girl, I'm not killing you. Cause every day are the same thing. She nah no problem, fi blow like trade wind. The enemy waiting, them eliminating. I just see pain man song embracing. Me come with a new flair, me change a new gear. And me a bad man, so me no
This bad, you know?
Suck out your mother, me no care how year. Them only fire gunshot for New Year. Shopping designer. One time I did dear town, the mount of bombers me used to be. Me coulda build a fake town. Now when she see me, she a slide like she the playground. Me never fish short, hold my own and pray now. So me pray now every day, now no stray now. Fat pussy gal a fi go bring my mini key now. So when you hear pop.
Woo. You can't go and you don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit down on this either. This is too bad. This is too bad. The bad. I forgot to bring a key, you know. This girl never even know them life, you know. But man, I get like, hey, we're going. Yo, you pardon me, you know. You know. You have to par with that. You have to par that strapping on me, G. Yeah, well, so you go, what you gonna do? You can't par now, man, like that. You have to roll up on the block and have it in case me need it. You give me. In case police stop me, me give you. In case you need to defend yourself, you have it. Yo, this bad.
Just stay low, me stay high like space now. My badness stink like set race count. No boss, I get it in now. No brain, say me go fuck up the whole place now. Why them a compete when all the champs are run race now? I know the fuck I go come lick me in my face now. Must see why me walk through the town with a key now. Let me see how the rush.
Me know sense I come. Me know. Me see it.
I only power energy them drain out. And they find out long time, man.
Yo.
As so much bum there food. I turn a bumper clam and me not explain now.
Yo. Play thing. They blow like.
I just the pain man song embracing. I come out a new flair, I change a new gear. I'm a bad man, so me no feel care. Suck out your mother, me no care how we.
Yeah, me know something hate me dance. I the one dance me have. I can't dance. Me still go party with me, yo.
Yeah, man, I'm fully 6. One click.
This bad, Malie. Malie, this bad. This bad, me G. This bad, me G. This bad. Peeps. I know if I say this bad one more time, I change my name to Baddest. I'm probably use it already. Yo, peeps, free the song. When I say that half an hour, but really and truly, peeps, free the song. You see me? Yo, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for y'all love me. You know, give me so far. And outside.